Deforestation and its effect on the Sumatran orangutan species. Deforestation can be defined as the mass, permanent destruction of trees to clear land for other uses. It is a major environmental issue that accelerates global warming and negatively impacts biodiversity loss. One species specifically affected by deforestation is the Sumatran orangutan. The Sumatran orangutan has a small population of just 14,613. It is critically endangered as its population rapidly decreases. Forests on Sumatra Island are destroyed to log for timber and to create space for plantations for palm oil production. Forestry cover on Sumatra Island declines every year. Estimates vary, but around 5 million hectares of forest was destroyed in Sumatra between 1990 and 2000. A further 3 million hectares was destroyed between 2000 and 2012. This means that in just over 20 years, 8 million hectares of forest has been lost due to legal and illegal logging and conversion of land to plantations. In 1950, forests covered 71.2% of Sumatra. However, by 2010, this was reduced to only 30%. Many animals rely on forests to survive. This includes a range of species that live within the forest in Sumatra. 22 primate species live on Sumatra Island. The Sumatran orangutans are sensitive to disturbances experienced by forests due to logging, hunting, and other human activities. This sensitivity can result in lower populations as they have little chance of surviving in fragmented forests. One of the most influential factors that impact the survival of the Sumatran orangutan species is the availability of trees as a food and nesting source. If this space is limited, subpopulations of orangutans become isolated and there is competition for habitat. This can lead to population decrease. The Ministry of Forestry declared that 500 is the number of orangutans required to have the necessary genetic diversity to cope with challenges posed by the environment. Organisations such as the World Wildlife Fund and the Frankfurt Zoological Society are committed to the conservation of the Sumatran orangutan. World Wildlife Fund is an organisation that works to ensure the survival of the species. They work with major Australian retailers to ensure their products are not linked to deforestation or biodiversity loss. They work with local communities and governments to restore degraded forest areas, particularly the peatlands of a national forest in Indonesia, which is home to 6,900 orangutans. Lastly, they work with major timber producers to identify major orangutan corridors, habitats, and food sources. To support this organisation, people can donate to the cause or adopt an orangutan. Making small consumer choices such as only buying FSC certified products can encourage forest-friendly products from producers. The Frankfurt Zoological Society is a centre for orangutan rehabilitation through a jungle school they have created. The conservation work they do includes training, reintroduction and monitoring of orangutans that have become orphaned for various reasons. They also offer veterinary services to these orangutans. They have a wildlife protection unit patrol that conducts population surveys through camera traps and lobby to enlarge a national park boundary that is heavily populated with orangutans. Donations are also accepted by this organisation to assist them.